Daddy, I see Rapunzel.
You see her? She's in the window.
Oh my God, she's singing.
Do you see Rapunzel? Japanese. Do you see it?
Rapunzel, let down your hair. We're not Mother Gothel.
Wear your sunglasses so you can see. Here. See? Look up. Okay.
Look, it's Flynn Rider. Hey, Flynn. Flynn, watch out for Mother Gothel. He's looking for Flynn Rider. I have a feeling he's gonna get him though. Yay!
What's Flynn Rider's face look like?
That's the look on Beckham's face when he throws his dirty drawers in our suitcase.
That's where we ate.
So much full of wonder. So whimsical.
It's a castle. That's right. Her parents are there without her.
Oh,
I'll record this.
definitely gotta ride this again.
Yeah. Should we do this one again, or do you want to go to Frozen?
What is again?
Let's go back again then.
I love this.
We'll do this again.
Oh, look at that.
Do you like Rapunzel?
Teddy, do you like that? How great was that? Do you like that?
Yeah, I want to go again.
Let's go again.